Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this dollar origami long sword. Not too difficult. Let's get started. So we'll start off with our dollar bill. The first thing we need to do is decide which side is our blade side. If we want the blade side to be the top side or the back side. So in this case, I'm going to choose the back side. So I'll flip this over and then we're going to fold the bill in half, lengthwise. We'll line that up. Make sure our corners are good and crease that down. Now we're going to open this up. What we're going to do is we're going to take our two sides here and then we're going to fold them along the center crease. So we're going here, make sure our edges are good, and then crease this down. Do the same thing to both sides. And then crease that down. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this edge here and I'm going to fold it along the center crease. So I'm going to take this, go back, crease just like that. I'm going to do the same thing to this side. So I'm going to fold this right alongside that. They should line up pretty good, and I will crease that down. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on its side, and I'm going to take this bottom edge, and I'm going to fold it along the center crease. And I will crease that down. Just like so. Then I'm going to do the same thing with this other side. So I'm going to rotate it. Pull this up, go all the way back to the top. Just like that. Now at this point we need to open this up. Just like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over and then we're going to fold this back. So I'm going to go right about here. The more you fold back, the longer your blade is going to be, and the shorter the handle. The more you go up, the longer the handle, the shorter the blade. So I'm going to go right in here and crease that down. Then I'm going to flip this over, and then I'm going to take these, and these should fold right back on the crease that we'd made earlier. Okay, then we're going to just do a little squash fold to make those come in like so. Do the same thing on both sides. And I have a little tool to help me when these get stubborn. So I go ahead and you can use a pin if you don't have one of these. And just go ahead, squash that down just like that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this back along these edges here. So we're going to make this fold right to those corners. Just like that. Okay, once we're here, what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece of paper and then we're going to fold it along this edge here to make kind of like a triangle there. But when we crease it, we only need to crease this little corner. Open this up, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So we'll fold that down and we will crease just this corner. Then we're going to open this up and we're going to, these crease lines that we already have here, so we can go ahead and start it here. They should already be there. Make sure that's under. We're going to fold this whole thing back just like this. So the sword hilt's gonna, the handle's gonna fold on the sword. Then we're going to fold this handle back along these edges here. So I'll put my finger there, fold that back, just like that, and straighten it out, and then I will crease this down. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, well, I'm gonna put a good crease on actually. So you wanna make sure you got a good crease so this all stays there. Now what we're gonna do is turn this on its side. What we're going to do is we're going to, and this is when your pin's going to come in handy, or if you have these origami tools, we're going to take this edge here and fold it along this crease line. So we're going to fold that down, make sure we're on the center, guide it here so it doesn't go over. This part here gets a squash fold. Now sometimes you're going to have to dig in here, open this up because the paper doesn't like to cooperate. Got a mind of its own. And then once you get that straight, you can go ahead and fold that down. You can use whatever to crease it down. You can use your fingernails. All right, we're going to do the same thing to this side. So I'm going to take this edge, fold it along the center crease. I'll guide it with my pin or tool. I'm going to open it up here. And then crease that down, just like that. If you want, you can give this an extra crease. Maybe you put a book on it. And if we flip this over, there we have the dollar origami sword. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.